baking soda. If you're using a normal spoon like this, please don't take the full quantity. Just take at least quarter or 3/4 of the quantity, or at least this much. Okay. Now I'm just gonna add that because after that I need to again find the perfect measurement. Now I need to add a little more. Yeah, that's perfect quantity right now. Now all I want to now you can Dettol. You can use any other washable liquid others, that's fine. So I'm just gonna add just a little. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm telling you. Now for the main part, the lava color. You use red liquid. You see the red liquid? Okay, now just gonna show it to you guys properly. Yeah, there you are. That's the red liquid. Now, for the main part, for the thing to erupt, what do you think is needed? Vinegar. That's right. So what I'm gonna take is just a spoon of vinegar and I'm gonna put it, clear everything next to it or near it. Before you do it, I'm gonna just push it this side. Take a lot of vinegar and there you go. That's the eruption. That's the eruption. That's how it works. I'm telling you guys. It's amazing. Just for just a little more effort.
Pause it for a second.